Hi, I'm Whitney.
I'm Hailey.
So I am interviewing Hailey today about social media. We hired Hailey 2.5 months ago.
Yeah.
And she is running our social media campaign in a sense. She's creating content. She's helping to, I guess, just get our presence better known on social media. So I'm going to be interviewing her today. And she also gave a talk at ACPA a few months back, just kind of about social media in the industry. So anyways, just this amazing brain as far as it goes to with that. So we're going to dive right in. Why is it so necessary?
Because as Whitney was saying in her interview that I asked, as Whitney was saying in her interview yesterday, basically we crave connection, and as we get away from kind of belly-to-belly contact, then we don't have that. We see screens, not faces. We see words, not hear voices. And so social media is kind of a way to bridge the gap. Also, it's a way to, I feel like the construction industry is very impersonal.
In a lot of ways they are. I feel like everyone thinks they have to be very rough and tough.
Yeah.
And that especially women are not, it's getting better, but they're not super welcome in the industry.
Yeah.
Again, we've progressed a lot, but you know,
Absolutely.
years ago, we've had clients over the years who have wanted nothing to do with me. The only thing they're okay with is me scheduling a call for them to talk to John.
That peeves me off. So.
But it's, and it is frustrating because I've been working with him for, 12 years now. And so, I helped him do all the testing for his PhD.
Yeah, you're amazing.
I helped him with a lot of his stuff with his master. So it's I've been there through all of it. And, I don't know. I think a lot of people have a tendency of brushing me off, and just women in general. Just they think that because it has been such a male-dominated industry.
So social media is our chance to take back what is ours, to prove our wisdom, our knowledge. Yeah.
Or at the very least, just help. I think building up the credibility.
Yeah, that too.
So
what are you talking about?
What do you think are the biggest challenges with doing social media? And that's something that I feel like you might have a different answer than what I have.
Yeah, your answer actually surprised me. I agree, but
Right.
I think it's just kind of letting people break down their walls,
Totally.
because we are such a
Sure.
private,
Right.
kind of hard to break into industry.
Right.
I think, and a lot of people have been their grandparents were finishers, their QA/QC, whatever.
Right.
It's all in the family, and so everybody knows everybody, kind of, or it's just hard to, I don't know, get into.
Get in there, get into circles.
Exactly.
And connect. Yeah.
And so the people who have been in the industry for generations don't necessarily, they're like, I don't want to use my phone every day at
Right.
work when I'm used to just roughing it almost.
Right.
And it's hard for them to kind of see social media as something that can be personal, because technology to a lot of the older generation feels impersonal.
Sure.
And it can be, absolutely.
Right.
But it also is kind of a tool to make connections.
I agree.
Especially across the country, or John has connections in New Zealand, Australia.
And Finland, I know,
Yeah.
and that's something that's great to point out too. It's amazing your reach broadens a lot when you do social media, and then depending on when you post and what you post, you're able to really kind of target your ideal client in a sense. I mean, we were very local for a long time. We moved out to New Jersey for John to do his PhD, and most of our work was still in Colorado, because that was where he had worked for 10 years or so before. Connections, absolutely. But as we started doing social media, I mean, we've got clients all over the States now, but we've got clients in Australia and New Zealand, Finland, Sweden,
That's
all
amazing.
over the place. It's amazing. And I don't know, there's just broadening that reach and again,
knowledge.
And knowledge, right.
Those countries do things differently.
They totally do. They have different materials, different approaches, absolutely.
Yeah.
So
Social media is a win.
yeah. Oh, without
Just
question.
do it. It's hard, really hard to get into, and it's scary.
So awkward at first.
Yeah, it's so vulnerable.
I know. I hate doing videos by myself.
Yeah, same.
So John's great. He just gets up here and does this thing, which he's always just been comfortable. I'm more of a background cheerleader. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not so much. But yeah, figuring out a way to get comfortable. And if here's the thing too, you've got to figure out what your right medium is. It may not be videos.
It might be articles.
It might be article. Like Mallory, which I feel like she'd do great too on social. She's just amazing. But she writes phenomenal articles, like one of the best writers I've ever like worked with. She's incredible. And so for her, like, I think that's one of her big ones. So I think it's also finding what works for you, what allows you to adequately, you know, share your opinion and speak your mind is the best approach. Right. A book.
Yeah.
Right? So
many ways, but your voice matters.
Absolutely.
And the more information we have out there, the better.
Oh, absolutely.
All right. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications.
Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt!